Welcome back. In the last video, we learned a couple of properties of multiplication. We learned the basics of multiplication in the first property, the commutative property. Now we're going to learn a few more really simple properties that will help make our job easier. So first is the identity property. Let's remember back to addition. In addition, the identity property states that any number plus 0 is the number itself. Well, multiplication is a little bit different. Let us take the number 7 multiplied by 1. The answer is 7. Let's take the number 1 multiplied by 3. The answer is 3. Basically, if you take any number multiplied by 1, then you're basically taking the number once. If I do 7 times 1, I take the number 7, I put it up once. What am I left with? 7. Basically, any number times 1 is the number itself because you're just taking the number in itself. You're not adding or subtracting anything to it. So any number like 472 times 1 is just the number itself, 472. Another property that we should know is the 0 property. Any number multiplied by 0 gives us 0. Think of it this ways. If we take 7 times 0, then what are we doing? We can think of it, if you take the number 7 0 times, we're taking nothing and we're left with nothing, 0. If you think of repeated addition of 0 7 times, it doesn't matter how many times you add 0. 7 times 0, if I take the number 0 7 times, I can keep adding 0. But remember, from addition, any 0 added to any number is 0. So however many times I take it, I'm left with nothing. And that's why the 0 product property states that any number multiplied by 0 ends up with 0. These are some really simple properties which, we should know before we move on. Remember, the identity property means any number times 1 is the number itself, and the 0 property means multiplying any number by 0 gives 0. Great job. In the next video, we'll start by multiplication of smaller numbers. I'll see you then.